So when I talk about finding cool surprises on these bigger properties, this is exactly what I mean. I just happened to follow the little creek on Tract 12, followed it down a couple hundred feet, and found this gorgeous natural waterfall area. I've never seen anything quite like this. This is beautiful. Look at this. Now, it hasn't been raining for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and this is flowing really well. So I'll never say that anything's year-round, and this very well may not be, but the fact that it's flowing right now makes a pretty nice statement. Look at this. I mean, this is gorgeous. Some kind of limestone outcropping with multiple rivulets of water coming down. It's just really beautiful. If these old trees were cleared out of here, this would be just pretty much an idyllic setting, I guess. I had no idea this was here until just now. Really, really pretty. And of course the creek continues on down, and that's as far as I'll explore today. I'm on limited time, but yeah, pretty cool feature on Tract 12 out here. So we've got a cave, we've got a waterfall. Yeah, pretty unique.